Hello, my name is Dakota Tompkins, and the name of my company is Healthy Lives. My company, Healthy Lives, offers products to help solve a problem that most Americans have, which is not knowing how to determine what food is healthy for their body in order to obtain the body they desire, all while not spending an enormous amount of money and/or wasting their valuable time shopping for healthy products. The customer will get the choice between 3 different body types that will allow the customer to lose weight, maintain healthy weight, and/or gain healthy weight. Then my company would determine the customer's macros, the perfect amount of fats, proteins, and carbs required at each meal in order to obtain the body they want. Each customer would have their own specific diet plan that is built around them and their lifestyle. Then the ingredients to their meals would be delivered to their homes twice a week. The food prep sector is fairly new and has seen much success with younger generations like millennials and Gen Xers, which could depict a steady market in the future. According to a survey done in the Bay Area, about 29% of millennials, those aged 18 to 29, and 26 of Gen Xers, those aged 30 to 44, report trying a meal kit service. Most of the US is made up of people who are low blue collar to upper white collar that want to get in shape. About 40% of the nation is made up of people from the ages of 26 to 54. Our demographic is 20 to 40 years of age because at this point in your life, most people care about the health of their body and want to make sure they're around for a while. Most people are also so busy with their jobs they do not have time for physical activity, so they try to focus or want to try to focus on healthy eating. For breakfast, customers would be receiving protein powder, egg whites, avocado, salsa, oatmeal, brown sugar, and bananas. Items that would be included for snacks, lunches, and dinners would be chicken breast, tilapia, sweet potatoes, asparagus, white vinegar, jello, protein chips, protein cookies, protein bars, almonds, lean beef, and turkey, etc. Each week would consist of different combinations of items so that customers are always feeling like they are eating something new and delicious. We are planning on having 3 different meal plans a person can choose from. The first plan is the lean plan, which is designed to help lose weight. The second available plan is the sustain plan, which is designed to help maintain healthy weight. And our third plan is the gains plan, which is designed to build lean mass and gain healthy weight. Each plan will cost $3.99 per serving and will be a monthly subscription of $370. My company's 3 biggest competitors online are HelloFresh, Blue Apron, and Sunbasket. Our serving per price is $1 cheaper than our leading competitor, HelloFresh, and an average of $6 cheaper than other online competitors and local competitors in the San Jose area. This allows our target market to be bigger than most of our competitors and helps us offer an affordable product at a price most people spend on food monthly. After interviewing 6 random men and women within our target market, we found that 83% of them thought that having a diet specific to their body type and lifestyle was a top priority to them. 67% of surveyed men and women thought it was a top priority to have ingredients and recipes sent to them each week that would be delivered right to their front door instead of having to go to the store and find the products that their diet required. The potential market in the case of online consumers at the end of the 5th period for Healthy Lives is 64,000, assuming 7% of people online buying ingredients to make food are purchasing from us. Other alternatives at the end of the 5th period would be 48,000. The frequency is 3 monthly subscriptions per customer per year, and the gross margin is 30%. The first year, the cash flow is negative and then becomes positive in the second year and progressively goes up for the next 4 years. The MPV is $514,243.41. The IRR is 44%, and the break-even point in units is 1,412.04. If the percentage of people who buy food online is more than 7%, Healthy Lives is feasible. The project has a low break-even point that is realistically achievable and a low price point, which leads to a larger target market, which in turn helps increase the MPV. Finally, Healthy Lives shows a growth rate in cash flow over a 5-year period with a conservative approach. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you consider joining the new growing industry and investing in Healthy Lives.